Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. For 77 years, the March of Dimes has helped moms have full-term pregnancies through education, health programs, and its advocacy efforts. With your generous donations, the March of Dimes funds cutting-edge medical research into the diseases and conditions that threaten the health of babies, primarily the #1 killer of babies, premature birth. The March of Dimes also has a long history of acknowledging the life-saving work done by nurses, like the sacrifice of the more than 40,000 nurses who volunteered as human guinea pigs for the Salk vaccine trials in 1954. Without their bravery, thousands would still die every year of polio. To honor their work is the March of Dimes Virginia Nurse of the Year Awards Program and Gala, which is the focus of today's Good News segment made possible by Care Advantage, changing our community one charity at a time.
Miss Isetta with Care Advantage is helping out. Her training that she's received, it comes into here. We learn things from her and we show her things here, and she's trainable. She knows exactly what to do.
She makes me feel comfortable, confident, safe. It makes me feel if I've got somebody that's watching out for me. You wouldn't ask for anybody better.
Don't do it alone.
With us now is Deb Zimmerman, the Chief Nursing Officer and Vice President of Patient Care Services for VCU Medical Center and the Chair of the 5th Annual March of Dimes Virginia Nurse of the Year Awards Gala coming up in November 14th in Richmond. Welcome to Showcase Richmond, Deb.
Well, thank you, Matt. I'm delighted to be here.
Tell us about the awards gala. This is a very big event.
It is. It's a wonderful event that will be held, like you said, on November 14th, and it will honor the many nurses of Virginia and their contribution to healthcare and the overall health of our public.
This is happening downtown, historic downtown, at the Richmond Omni Hotel and Resort on November 14th. You see the program there. 5:30 is the cocktail reception. 7 p.m. is the dinner awards. How were the finalists chosen that are going to be kind of honored at this event?
Over 400 nurses have been nominated by patients, other health professions, and their organizations. The applications are being blinded, and then a team of 13 panelists and nursing experts from around the state will review the applications. We will select 5 finalists in each of the 20 categories, and they will attend the event, and then the honorees in each of those 20 categories will be celebrated.
And it really is amazing. It's a wonderful night for all of these nurses, for sure. To be honored is amazing. Why is the March of Dimes, which is known for its mission of bringing healthy full-term babies, honoring so many disciplines of nursing?
Well, when you think of the March of Dimes, typically you think about babies and preventing birth defects, but many of those diseases actually have a genetic origin. And what we're finding is that the research from the March of Dimes actually has implications for many diseases, including Lou Gehrig's disease, cancer, sickle cell anemia, and Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. So that's why the March of Dimes is honoring all of the disciplines within the profession of nursing. And we have actually 100,000 nurses practicing in Virginia, so we're delighted that the March of Dimes is honoring nurses with this gala.
That is an amazing number, 100,000 nurses in Virginia. Why are you so personally excited about this event?
Typically, nurses, although they're always rated the most trusted of all professions, think of their work as ordinary. So to celebrate their good work is really just a wonderful honor and raises up the profession and acknowledges their contribution to the overall health of the public.
Quickly, how can people get involved?
Well, they can, of course, sponsor a table, they could sponsor an award, or they could just give to the March of Dimes, because every dollar goes to the babies and goes to the work.
And you can get in touch with the March of Dimes, 804-977-2034 and marchofdimes.org/Virginia. We'd like to thank Care Advantage for making this segment possible. 12 locations in Central Virginia in the Richmond area. CareAdvantageInc.com. Thanks, Deb.
Thank you, Matt.